TCS Mobility provides turnkey school transportation, offering a complete line of services from start to finish. Our core competencies make it easy for our partners, providing call center operations, staffing and scheduling, vehicle upkeep, driver training, vehicle maintenance, and so much more. Our partners value this complete line of service offerings and depend on TCS to assist with driver shortages, on-demand driver substitutions, and even long-term staffing solutions. We provide field trip transportation, student route pickups and drop-offs, aftercare transit, and more. Our CDL and non-CDL drivers follow Department of Transportation and the Federal Transit Administration professional standards to ensure the safety of our most precious cargo. Our diversified fleet of buses and vehicles even includes paratransit options. TCS Mobility is expanding and now offering school transportation services throughout the country with a strong focus in the Southeast. With more than 40 years of experience in the transportation industry, TCS Mobility is a reliable transportation vendor for all of your school project needs.